To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. Then tap the three vertical dots located in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Next, navigate to the Privacy settings. Swipe up to scroll down, and locate the Advanced option. Then tap on it. Here, you will see the new update called Strict Account Settings. If it's not visible, make sure your WhatsApp app is updated to the latest version. Now tap on it. Read the details of what will happen when you enable this setting, then tap Next. First, you need to set up a 6-digit PIN for two-step verification, which is required to enable strict account settings. When you enable strict account settings, the following settings will be updated and locked. Review them all, swipe up to reach the bottom, and then tap Turn On. In the confirmation window, tap Turn On again. Once enabled, strict account settings will automatically apply enhanced privacy restrictions and lock those settings, preventing unauthorized changes and giving you stronger control over your account security. If you tap View Locked Settings, you'll be able to see which privacy options have been secured and are now protected from being changed. From here, you can also enable End-to-End Encrypted Backup, and you have the option to turn off strict account settings at any time. So that's how you can enable WhatsApp strict account settings and protect your privacy.